have the bubonic plague.
Yeah, of course I don't have the plague because I also have a sore throat. So I actually have more symptoms. I don't think
You have a cold. You're gonna be fine.
How could you even say you don't know how I'm feeling? Cough or am I okay?
Yeah.
It hurts to swallow a little bit. No, I'm not okay. Babe, is your brain surgery today still?
Yeah, I'm going soon.
Gosh, look at us. One person fighting for their life, and the other is getting a craniotomy or whatever. Babe, wait.
Yes.
Can you put up more cough drops on your way back?
Yeah, sure. After I'm discharged.